Here I am again, my favorite place, the bathroom. What am I doing in here? What is going on? Well, what is today's project about? Kaboom. The dreaded toilet, yes. Now, at first glance, looks like the toilet's fine, right? Okay, but we're gonna replace this toilet seat. The toilet seat still works and everything properly, but you know, upon closer inspection, look at this. It's wearing out right there. I can see slightly discoloration there. If you look over here, see that? It's all slightly discolored. Can you see right in there? I don't want that. Every time you use the toilet, it's got to look like that. It can be better than that. And that's what this video is about. We're going to be installing Kaboom, this toilet seat, and I'll talk to you about that if that's what you want to see. Okay, stick around.